In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Cracker Barrel gift card balance. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you have no trouble along the way. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you are comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search bar. Here, type in Cracker Barrel and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Cracker Barrel. Now, let's find the correct link. Look for the official Cracker Barrel website, which should be one of the top results. The official site will usually have a web address that includes crackerbarrel.com. Click on this link to ensure you are on the right site. This is important because using the official site helps protect your information. Once you are on the Cracker Barrel homepage, locate the menu icon. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines and is often found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, look for the gift cards option. Click on it to proceed. This section of the website is dedicated to everything related to gift cards, including purchasing, checking balances, and more. After entering the gift card section, scroll down the page until you see the option to check gift card balance. Click on this link and it will direct you to the page where you can enter your gift card details. This is where you'll find out how much remains on your gift card. Now you will need to have your Cracker Barrel gift card handy. Look at the card for the card number and the PIN. Carefully enter these details into the respective fields on the web page. Double check to make sure the numbers are correct. Accuracy here is crucial because even a small mistake can prevent you from accessing your balance. After you've entered your card number and PIN, look for the button labeled Check Balance. Click on it to submit your information. You should now see your gift card balance displayed on the screen. This gives you an immediate answer to how much you have left to spend at Cracker Barrel. Checking your gift card balance regularly is a great habit. It helps you plan your visits and ensures you can enjoy your meals without any surprises at checkout. If you ever misplace your card number or PIN, contact Cracker Barrel's customer service for assistance. They are there to help you resolve such issues. Before we wrap up, remember that keeping your gift card information secure is essential. Avoid sharing your card number and PIN with anyone you don't trust. This keeps your balance safe from unauthorized use. That's it for today. You've successfully learned how to check your Cracker Barrel gift card balance. With these steps, you can easily manage your spending and enjoy your visits to Cracker Barrel with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and happy dining.